We don't just install the racks for you and go, but we also make sure that we give you proper drainage if you want. Then anytime you flush out the waste or you are releasing the water doesn't just flow all over your farm. It follows the drainage and goes to wherever you want it to go to, either the gutter or if you have a proper place. This is exactly what we are doing here. After installing about 4 filtration systems for this farm, for different ponds, we have connected drainage pipes using waste pipes 2-inch size and connected everything outside the house. So this is it. And like I said, if we are providing you a service, we ensure proper drainage too. So we'll see how we do it.
Too much.